It's your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Saturday. Saturday's when this video is coming out, so Saturday's what we're titling it. Anyways, guys, I have for you right now my first ever BoxyLuxe. So I got this for review purposes and to see what I will like or not like or whatever, to see if it's worth the money, basically, because you guys keep telling me get it. So I'm gonna listen to y'all. Y'all listen to me, so I'm gonna listen to y'all. But before we get into this video, if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Make sure you hit that subscription button below, give it a click right here, ring a ding ding ding, zing that bell, turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways on this channel, and right now I have 2 giveaways going on. I have a huge elf YouTuber collab giveaway going on. Please make sure you check out that video. It is the Southern Mom collab. And then also I have a Jeffree Star one that's over November 21st. So make sure that you watch that video carefully. Comment down below, red or blue, of that video. Share it and follow your girl on Instagram at SamanthaSweets100. All right, let's get into this video. All right, so BoxyLuxe. It is a subscription service. It's just like Boxycharm, which I do get. So this is $25 every 2 months, every 3 months or something like that. So I don't know. I'm excited. I honestly thought it was like, because it does equal 50, but 50 for both boxes in a weird way. So I'm excited. It enables me to be able to shop early, and there's a huge Boxy pop-up coming on November 9th. So I'm like here for it and then some. So let's get into this box. It feels light. I'm not going to lie. I don't know what's in it. I didn't choose absolutely anything for this box. So let's just see. Let's see. My trusty thing jams. I hate how it jams. Okay. So I like to be surprised, so we're not going to read the card or anything like that. We'll do that afterwards. And we're just going to open it and reach in. Oh my gosh. So the first thing I'm pulling out is a full brush set. I love me some brushes. Like, seriously. And this is so cute. This would be so good for traveling. Seriously. This is the Pure. I love Pure. Oh. Ooh. Okay. So, they seem like good brushes, honestly. And this is such a good traveling case. I honestly do not have a brush holder like this, believe it or not. I have a lot of brushes, but no brush holders like this. So I am happy about this. I love the color. It's definitely going to look cute in the vlogging room. So for the first product, nice. All right, my next product. I don't even know how many products you get in here. Oh, my next product is by Ro, New York, a tomato serum. Tomato serum is a highly concentrated treatment serum. The hydrating formula visibly reduces the appearance of imperfections, and improves the look of skin texture and soft, smooth clarification. So this is amazing. I bet you this is some money right here. And I'm probably going to use a little bit of it, but I'm probably going to send it home with Mama Sweets because I think she'll use it. It's probably for more of my seasoned ladies, but who knows? All right, so the next thing is a oh my God, I wanted this. This is the Fenty Duo Highlighter. Oh my gosh, I think it's the one I wanted. I was seriously gonna buy this at Sephora. This is in Mint, Mojito, and Sandcastle. Oh my God, my heart be still. So this is Sandcastle, and this is Mojito. I can so use this in the inner corner of my eye. Oh my God, that is gorgeous. That is so pretty. I want a little bit of, I mean, I already have on highlighter today, but I mean, this is just too pretty. I just need a little bit of Mojito. This is so pretty. Oh my God, look at that. Okay, this box is turning out great. I honestly didn't think I was going to like the products in here. I didn't know what I was going to do, and I'm really liking this box. So 3 products down so far. Again, I don't know how many you get in these. Okay, next, this is big. Ooh, by Gravity. It is a weighted sleep mask. Okay. Weighted sleep mask with weighted beads for up to 1 pound of evenly disturbing pressure. So this is probably good when you have a headache. This is probably amazing when you have them headaches and migraines. And you guys know I get those a lot. So this is going to be great, especially with my blood pressure going up and down lately. This is going to be good for me. Okay. So we have, what is this? Four products. This is so much fun. That's it? You only get 4? What? Get out of town. Did I get gypped? Is this the premium box? It says Luxe. It says Luxe. Okay, so, whoa. The tomato serum is $150. The Fenty Beauty Highlighter is $36. Ooh. The Pure Complexion Brush Set is $49. I do not think that should go for that. This should be $25. Honestly, the brushes don't look that good, but I'm going to still try and see what happens. And then the Gravity Sleep Mask is $40. So it says here that the sleep mask, this weighted sleep mask is used for the same science behind the Gravity weighted blanket. I saw that at Walmart to give your face the perfect pressure stimulation. It also blocks out light and feels amazing thanks to a combination of gray, micro plush, and imitation cashmere. Okay. And then I want to see about the tomato serum. Tomato serum is a powerful treatment that contains gently exfoliating tomato extract, brightening vitamin C, and collagen-boosting peptides. It transforms your skin into a brighter, more youthful version of itself while imparting a healthy, luminous glow. I don't know. I might have to give Mama Sweet something else and keep this for myself, honey. $150. I want to see if it smells like tomatoes. It does not. Okay. So I might be giving this a shot tonight. Okay, so the box, according to the products, are worth the money, especially for what I spent. You know what I mean? I spent peanuts compared to what the box is worth. I thought more products came in here for some reason. Like, I thought BoxyLuxe. I mean, I was under the impression you get like 7 products, 8 products, something like that. I remember for the first BoxyLuxe that I opened on my channel because it was my ex-roommate's box, she got about freaking like 10 things, 7 things. I mean, I didn't get no eyeshadow palette. I did get a highlighter palette, but I don't know. Did I get gypped or is this the wrong box? Let me know in the comments below. I need your help. I'm a little stumped, honestly. My thumbnail fits the bill perfectly. Yeah. I knew the box felt light, which is weird for it to feel light with this heavy-ass matte mask. Is it in the paper? I thought you get more products. Maybe it's the more expensive products, the lesser your box comes with stuff. I don't know. But I thought you get more products in here. Whatever. What can you do? So guys, yes, please in the comments below, let me know. I mean, was it worth it? Did you get the same stuff? Do you get BoxyLuxe? You guys are the ones that told me to get it. I got it. I thought it was going to be a box of like at least 8 products in here. It was literally what I get in Boxycharm, but not the price. Premium, but not the price. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but not the price. I thought I'd get more products at the Luxe. I don't know. Did I get duped? This is the Luxe because it says Luxe. I'm not crazy. Okay, well, I will see you guys on the next video. I gotta do research. I gotta find out what's going on. I feel duped. There are some nice products in here, though. I'm not mad at that. And I will see you guys on the next video. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. Love y'all. Bye.